In industrial automation, power magnetics are the driving force behind many successful applications. We're redefining what it means to power your automated systems, ensuring high power efficiency, optimal thermal management, and durability to withstand the factory floor. Standex's custom power magnetics are engineered for precise maneuverability, smart industrial Internet of Things features, and the high-use demands of intelligent machinery. Power magnetics are pivotal for various systems, including motor control and drives, automation equipment, robotics, conveyors, and automated guided vehicles. They regulate energy distribution, convert electrical energy efficiency, enable precise maneuvering, optimize performance, and ensure seamless navigation and operation. Standex offers a range of products, including custom-engineered components to meet the unique specifications of industrial automation systems. From power transformers to compact switch-mode power supply transformers for voltage regulation, power inductors for energy storage, and chokes for electromagnetic interference mitigation. Additionally, our planar magnetics boast low-profile designs and superior thermal management for optimized performance. Explore Standex's Partner, Solve, and Deliver approach, where we provide custom solutions for complex problems. Learn how you can optimize and fortify your industrial automation systems for peak performance and reliability. Visit StandexElectronics.com to learn more.